I'm going to quickly go over some of my favorite scents from Bath & Body Works. Now, we all know Bath & Body Works could be a hit or miss. The candle could smell like absolutely amazing, but the fragrance could smell like it has a ton of alcohol, and it could definitely be a turn off. But when it comes to these fragrances or scents that I really, really like, it's not a hit or a miss when it comes to either or. The fragrance is going to be good along with the candle and the body wash. All right. First one, of course, is an oldie but a goodie, and it's going to be 1,000 Wishes. Not only does it smell really good in the shower gel, but it also smells good in the body mist as well. And of course, I had to get it in the lotion because it's just that good. And let's see, my second favorite would be Champagne Toast. Oldie but goodie once again, but the Champagne Toast, you just can't do without it. Of course, I got it in the body cream along with the body mist. Lotion, of course. Shower gel. And I also got it in the room spray as well because, of course, the room has to be smelling nice. Yes, it does. And, of course, I had to pick it up in the candle as well. Like I said, not only is the candle everything, but the body mist is good as well, along with the lotion, body wash, so on and so forth. Now, my favorite of all time right now, even though it's a new fragrance, and I think, in my opinion, is one of the best fragrances from Bath & Body Works. If you haven't heard, it's definitely Among the Clouds. This fragrance right here, the smell is, I mean, the candle, when you light this candle on up, and you step out of the room for a second and you come back, once everything is melted, let me tell you, it makes the room smell so delightful. Absolutely amazing. I think, in my opinion, this is one of their favorite scents. So much so that I ended up buying 2 candles. That's how good it was. And to be honest with you, they were not even on sale. Their semi-annual sale is not going on yet. I just had to get my hands on it. I also picked up the Gentle Foaming Hand Wash, of course, along with 2 moisturizing body washes. And like I said, nothing was on sale. Along with the fragrance mist, the lotion, of course. And I picked up about 3, if not 4, because I think the other one is lingering somewhere in the house. This is the room spray as well, in Among the Clouds. And let me tell you something, guys. I've been spraying this thing literally like crazy because it's so good. Oh my goodness. If you haven't gotten the room spray, you definitely need to get your hands on that. The good thing about it is, what I find is, once you spray it, and you don't have, it doesn't take a lot, just spray a little bit, step out of the room, close that door, come back on in like maybe 2-3 hours later, and the scent is still lingering, and that's what I love. All right. Another candle that I picked up was the Raspberry and Whipped Vanilla. It has somewhat of a really juicy raspberry, or should I say like fruity smell. I don't smell too much vanilla. When you light it, it may be a little bit different, but this smells really good as well. Sometimes when it comes to like the candles that include, let's say, maybe like vanilla whipped whatever fruit with vanilla, or even like a pound cake type of fragrance, I find that a lot of times it's not a hit but a miss. But for this particular raspberry and vanilla, it smells really, really good. And for those of you who saw my Christmas vlog, my son introduced me to the vanilla bean. I had to get another one because, let me tell you, I burned that thing down to the very end. It smells so good. And the thing about with this particular candle is, when you smell it, it doesn't really say much, but as you're burning it and as that candle wax starts to melt, it really definitely changes the aroma in your place. It smells really, really good, and it gives you somewhat of that zen, tranquil smell, should I say, feel. But nevertheless, the vanilla bean is really good as well. If you haven't tried it, definitely give it a try. During our little shopping at Bath & Body Works, I also had to get the new light up wallflowers. And let me tell you something, these right here, you can't tell me that they're not gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. And the great thing about it is, it has the scent control, which would allow you to either have this fragrance or scent on low, medium, or high. It's called scent control, which is great. And of course, just in case you're wondering, this one right here was $16.95. I also got this one right here. As a matter of fact, I had to pick up 2 because it was so gorgeous. And these were, let's see, $19.95. They all come in different prices according to the style. And of course, had to get the butterflies. These are gorgeous as well. And these were $14.95. We also have these guys right here. Check it on out. Absolutely beautiful. $16.95 was the price. I can't wait to literally plug these on up, get that fragrance, pop it on in, plug it on up. I'm a big fragrance girl. I love different fragrances, whether it be for the home or of course myself, but nevertheless, I love fragrance. I love everything to smell good. I also got these right here. These are like the soap holders, but they're so decorative. I know most of you are familiar with the soap holders where you take the Bath and Body Works soap and you just slide it on in and it like literally encloses it. But this one is a little different. You just take the Bath and Body Works soap, like this one right here, and you just insert it just like that. It has the perfect fit, and you just place it basically in your countertop or your sink and you'll be good to go. I honestly picked up at least 2 of these because it's so gorgeous, because we have like the his and hers sink, and I want to place one not only on my side but on hubby's side as well. Check out the new Wallflowers or the Bath and Body Works soap holders. What are you waiting for? You better go get you some.